Next question. Given a passenger train takes one or more than express train. There are two trains. One is passenger train, another one is express train. Both travels a distance of 240 kilometers. A passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train. Passenger train takes more than 1 hour as express train to travel to 240 kilometers from Chennai to Viruthachalam. The speed of the passenger train is less than that of express train by 20 km per hour. Speed of the passenger train is less than the speed of the express train by 20 km per hour. Find the speed of both the train, average speed of both the train. Find average speed of both the train. Let the average speed of the passenger train be x. Answer writing here. Let x be the average speed of the passenger train. Let x be average speed of passenger train. And the express train is 20 km faster than the passenger train. Therefore, x plus 20, the average speed of express train is x plus 20 km per hour. Here, let x km per hour be the average speed of the passenger train. Let x km per hour is the average speed of passenger train, and 20 km is increase for express train. Now the average speed of express train is x plus 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. Here also kilometer per hour. So let x km per hour be the average speed of the passenger train, and the average speed of the express train is x plus 20 km per hour, because both the speeds are varied by 20 km. So here this is increased because of 20 km is more, therefore here x plus 20 km is taken as average speed of the express train. So time taken by the express train to cover, here speed equal to, we have formula speed equal to distance by time. So now time taken means the time equal to, we can find a formula from it, time equal to distance divided by speed. By use of this formula, we can calculate the time taken by the passenger train is, the time taken by passenger train is time taken by passenger train to cover 240 km, to cover 240 km is, that is equal to distance 240 divided by speed. The speed of the passenger train is x km per hour. 240 divided by x hours. Now time taken by express train, to cover 240 kilometers is equal to 240. Here the distance traveled is 240 divided by speed. The speed of the express train is x plus 20 km per hour. So x plus 20 hours. These are the time taken by passenger train and express train. Now both are differ by Here time taken by the passenger train to cover 240 kilometers, 240 by x hours, and time taken by express train is 240 by x plus 20 hours. The difference between the time of the passenger train and express train is 1 hour. Therefore, the difference between the time is 240 divided by x minus 240 divided by x plus 20 equal to 1 hour. Now taking 240 as common, 240 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 equal to 1. Here cross multiplying it, 240 into x plus 20 minus x divided by x into x plus 20 equal to 1. Now this x and minus x get cancelled. Remaining is 240 into 20 divided by x into x plus 20 equal to 1. Now cross multiplying it, we have cross multiplying it, we have 240 into 20, that is 4800 equal to 240 into 20, so 4800 equal to x into x plus 20, x into x plus 20. Multiply inside, we have 4800 equal to x square plus 20x. Now simplifying it, x square plus 20x minus 4800 equal to 0. Now we have formed a quadratic equation. So we should factor it. When we multiply, we should get minus 4800. When we add, we will get 20. Now we can have two values, 80 and minus 60. 80 and 60. When we multiply, we will get 4800. When we add, it will be 1400. So here 140, when we add we will get 140, so when we add it will become 20, so giving minus here. When we multiply we will get minus 4800, when we add we will get plus 20, so these are the values. Now here x plus 80 into x minus 60 equal to 0. When we factor it we will get x plus 80 into x minus 20. From this we will have two values, x is equal to minus 80 comma plus 60. And x means the speed, it cannot be negative, so we should take the value of x is equal to 60. So here x is equal to 60. So the average speed of passenger train is 60. Speed of the passenger train is 60 and the average speed of the express train is x plus 20. So x plus 20 means 60 plus 20 80. So 60 comma 20 are the average speed of passenger train and express train.